Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, I can only start this video with one intro, and that is to say, and so say all of us. So, and so say all of us, as guys I bring you this, it is over for Tinubu. Fani Kayode speaks on Buhari's support for Giadam. So of course, this is something that we are all agreed with now, because Buhari has already sent a signal, and this is now going to cascade, and the build up now to 2023 is going to be a traumatic experience for Tinubu. So again, the headline, it's over for Tinubu. Fani Kayode speaks on Buhari's support for Giadam. So now let's now see what Femi has to say about this matter. Former Aviation Minister Fani Kayode has said that President Buhari's recent declaration of support for the Victor Giadam-led faction of the All Progressive Congress APC has shown that it is over politically for the national leader of the party, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. President Buhari on Wednesday stated that the law is on the side of Victor Giadam, hence his support for the acting national chairman. FFK tweeting on Wednesday evening wrote, "First, Oshiomhole is kicked out by the Court of Appeal, then his preferred replacement, Ajimobi, falls into a coma, then his arch-rival Giadam is recognized by Buhari as national chairman. Conclusion, it is over for Tinubu. He has been thrown under the bus and retired from politics." So, yes, we're back there again. The Afonja narrative, we always end up there. The Yoruba man that chooses of his own will to place his trust in the Malamis. This is a story that is as old as time itself, and the treachery is one that has never changed. Afonja, of course, lost the Ilorin seat to the Fulanis. He being a Yoruba man, lost the Ilorin seat to the Fulanis based on his greed and his stupidity. Abiola, of course, he trusted the Malamis, thinking that they play by any sort of rule of decency and fair play. He paid the ultimate price. And next up, Tinubu. So he's now being thrown under the bus, and mark this day, because this is the beginnings of the end of this guy as a political entity within the Nigerian space. This is the final song for this guy now, as it's being wheeled out of the Nigerian political scene, because these people are going to deal with him. There's absolutely no question about that. They have all of the apparatus of the state to do that. They have the army, the police, the DSS, the central bank, the wealth of the country. They all field everything that they would need to deal with Tinubu, and they don't even need all of that. They just weigh down on him. So they will now use this Victor Giadam now to set a new set of rules that would then ensure that they continue to self-perpetuate in power, because they would point and state that the Nigerian constitution does not indicate anything that is the rotation of power from north to south, and they will continue to have that hegemony in place. So this is now that move now, the final one fell swoop of the cutting down of the Tinubu political ambitions. So we're talking about his political ambitions, of course, not his being. So the cutting down now of the political ambitions of Tinubu is what we are now seeing now, effectively a fait accompli. Conversations in the comment section. Fani Kayode has spoken. Now, what says you? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. That is if you enjoyed the video, of course. Then, haven't done all three, come join me in the comment section to see and discuss with me what we are all making of this now new development that is taking place now, especially over the course of this week, in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.